Olindon Styles was sentenced to death by lethal injection. A priest urged him to confess to killing 11 people, but Styles denied guilt. After the injection and a death pronouncement, Styles later awoke. A man awakens in a bunker and is offered participation in a U.S. year's defense experiment. Refusal results in execution. Survival grants him a new identity. Olindon, facing imprisonment and financial ruin, agrees to an experiment. He's confined to a secure glass box where a fearful female doctor is to conduct tests. An explanation is given that he's not responsible for 11 deaths, and he believes he's been framed for this experiment. A soldier was expelled from the army and framed for refusing to kill a foreigner. A doctor, disbelieving his story due to its perceived impossibility in the U.S., took a skin and hair sample. Scientists are simultaneously working in a secret laboratory to make alien DNA compatible with human DNA. 6 months prior, an object was discovered and destroyed over Utah. The wreckage revealed a small shuttle, indicating a larger interstellar ship was present. Alien remains were minimal, preventing the reconstruction of their appearance. The experiment's DNA is similar to human DNA. The doctor named the experiment due to the unknown effects on Lyndon. A similar experiment on a monkey resulted in the monkey living for almost 3 weeks. Military conflict with aliens is a consideration driving the research into human vulnerabilities. A military doctor visits Lyndon, where they are also joined by the general, Lyndon's former wartime commander. The general criticizes Lyndon for publicly revealing details of a past mission. The doctor informs Lyndon of an upcoming injection containing extraterrestrial DNA, a claim the doctor finds amusing. General commands the experiment start, leaving Lyndon, who's strapped to a table to receive injections. Lyndon endures intense pain, vomiting, and bodily changes over several days. The doctor stops the injections, but Lyndon develops strange appendages and continues to suffer. Alien DNA is shown to alter Lyndon's body and brain, prompting the doctor to administer painkillers. A woman urged the military to feign acceptance of a man's innocence, after which he lost consciousness. Despite resuscitation attempts, he was declared dead, only to later awaken without testicles and a new heart. He then requested a confession of belief in his innocence. Lyndon's hearing improved dramatically, allowing him to hear surrounding conversations, including learning the doctor's name, Helen. He underwent significant physical changes, gaining immense strength and endurance surpassing normal human capabilities. Scientists attributed these enhancements to alien intervention, noting superior hearing and vision. Ultimately, Lyndon removed his sensors due to unbearable confinement. Lyndon escapes from his confinement at the base. This escape was a planned part of an experiment, prompting the general to organize a hunt for him. Lyndon subsequently observes his reflection in a forest river. A man, resembling the biblical lance, is pursued by the military with orders to kill him. He expertly hides, using unsettling sounds to his advantage. He captures a soldier, contacts the general, and reveals his understanding of the general's plan, stating he will not kill anyone due to his newfound empathy. A sergeant abandons a prisoner on a tree and flees. Soldiers, pursuing a signal, mistakenly shoot a comrade after noticing a figure in a tree. Despite Helen's doubts, the military continues its search, which Lyndon successfully evades, even capturing the general. A general, framed by the military and government, reveals his identity under duress. Lyndon subsequently throws a grenade to create a diversion and escapes. Later, he finds Helen, who, having learned of her own jeopardy and no longer believing in his youthful appearance, offers assistance in his transformation back to human form. Lyndon meets Helen in the forest, where she convinces him to take a substance to lessen alien DNA influence. Their subsequent meeting involves a syringe, numerous snipers, and Helen's betrayal. She pleads for forgiveness, explaining the syringe contains a sleeping pill to ease the process, emphasizing the irreversible consequences of refusing. The surgeon orders the general to release the doctor, who surrenders his weapon. The surgeon advises the woman to leave cautiously. Olindon is declared the loser of the experiment, but the surgeon believes he won by retaining his humanity. A general orders the execution of a former man, but before the soldiers fire, alien duplicates of the former man appear. One alien touches the former man, and they both vanish with the other aliens, leaving the humans bewildered. Helen then understands that humanity was the subject of the aliens' experiments, not the other way around. This is the end. Subscribe for more movies like this. Thank you for watching.